One of the common problems that occurs with glass reach-in door cabinets is an issue with door tensioning. Sometimes in shipping, doors can lose their tension. It's important at setup to check all the doors to make sure they have proper tension. Even after they've been in place for some time, if you start getting reports of doors that are standing open, or especially if you have icing on the evaporator coils, it's difficult to diagnose. It could very well be caused by something like this. If you close one of the doors in a cabinet, especially a 3 or 4 door cabinet, it will cause one of the untensioned doors to pop open and relieve the compressed air pressure. As you can see, this door has no tension. It will not close. If it stands open long enough, it's going to pull in humid air and create coil icing. The key here is to set tension on this little device at the bottom of the hinge side of the door. You see, with a flat blade screwdriver, we can adjust tension, and we want to adjust until that door starts to move and actually closes. Once you get the door to self-close from that open position by, and in this case, turning counterclockwise, give it about another turn, and then test the setting by pulling the door open 6 inches and releasing. If the door will self-close on a well-leveled cabinet from 6 inches of open, it's got sufficient tension. You don't want to over-tension because that shortens the life of the door tensioning rod or can cause it to break.